annoying.
And next up is 43-year-old ex-bus driver Louise and her 2.5-year-old African grey parrot, Harry.
Hi. Who is this?
How are you?
This is Harry.
Harry. Harry the parrot.
Well, my name's Louise. I'm 43 years old today. This is Harry. He's 2.5, and he does a performance of singing and dancing.
As Louise lives alone, she's been rehearsing non-stop with Harry for the most important day of both their lives.
He's my best friend that I've ever had. He just means such a lot to me.
And how did it happen? You just singing along one day?
I don't have a TV and I play the radio most of the time.
All right.
So all the songs that I know the words to that come on, I just sing them.
And he sings along too?
They're one of the most talkative birds. You can actually have a conversation with an African grey.
Good luck.
I think the judges will be quite impressed with him. I mean, it's almost as if it all comes naturally. We'll all have to wait and see and applause after.
Look at that lot, Harry.
Hello.
Look at that lot.
Hello.
Sorry, hello.
That's all right. Who are you, please?
I'm Louise Moores and this is Happy Harry.
How long has he been your pet?
About 26 months, maybe.
And did you have him as an egg, or...?
I don't think so, sweetie.
Sweetie? Right, Louise, that's where they start as eggs.
They certainly do, yes.
So you didn't?
No, I didn't.
What's he going to do for us?
He's going to copy me singing.
Oh, lovely.
OK.
OK, when you're ready.
OK,
Thanks.
thank you.
Thank you, Harry.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're all right, Harry. Talking away, I don't know what to say, I'll say it anyway.
It's not really doing it, is it? Harry's in a huff.
Harry.
Keep going, keep going.
Talking away, I don't know what.
Call me. Jump to the chorus.
Take on me, on, take on me, I'll be gone in a day or two. I'm going. Thank you. I'm going home now.
Bye then.
Sorry, Harry.
The one thing Happy Harry was very happy.
Harry and Louise head back home. Friendship intact, pride in tatters. And as